In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a module in Excel VBA IDE. If you're organizing your VBA project and want your code to be easier to recognize and manage, renaming a module is a simple but very helpful step. A clear module name makes it much easier to understand what each part of your project is for, especially when you're working with multiple modules. To begin, open the Excel workbook that contains the module you want to rename. Make sure you're in the correct file before moving forward, since the Visual Basic editor will display the projects that belong to your open workbook. Next, open the Visual Basic editor, also called the VBE. You can do this quickly by pressing Alt and F11 on your keyboard. This shortcut takes you straight from Excel into the VBA development environment where your workbook's code modules are stored. Once the editor is open, look to the left side of the screen for the Project Explorer. This panel shows the structure of your workbook's VBA project. In that list, find the modules folder and expand it if needed. Inside, you'll see your available standard modules. Click the one you want to rename. In many cases, it may still have a default name like Module 1, which is why renaming it can be useful. After selecting the module, open the Properties window. If you don't already see it on screen, press F4 to display it. The Properties window lets you edit certain settings for the selected object, and in this case, that includes the module's name. Now in the Properties window, find the field labeled Name in parentheses. This is the property that controls the module's actual name inside the VBA project. Click into that field and replace the existing name with the new name you want to use. When choosing a new name, try to make it descriptive so it reflects the purpose of the code inside that module. That can save time later when you're reviewing or updating your project. Also, keep in mind that module names should be simple and valid for VBA. So it's best to avoid unnecessary symbols or confusing naming. Once you type the new name, the module is renamed immediately in the Project Explorer. That's all there is to it. Renaming modules is a quick cleanup step that can make your VBA projects much easier to navigate, especially as they grow.